Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday, guys. Actually, things on my side, you can see I'm very late. It's because the power, we had some interrupted power, whatever. Not load shading, by the way. So yeah, without wasting your time, and I will just make this video very quick as it's just an update, because in few hours here we'll be going on our live session. So don't forget that this week, guys, we also have there is company earnings actually tomorrow, and for those who want to join the team, there is a special. You can just let me know if you want to be part of the team. So without wasting your time, what's really happening? Yes, Bitcoin is still pushing lower. Bitcoin is still pushing lower. Yes, it tried. Actually, Bitcoin tried to make sure it breaks that area as a resistance. Guess what? The market actually it's now going back again. So we will see what's really happening. And this week, don't forget that there is like FOMC, like interest rates decisions that might also move the market. We don't know if maybe it will push the market to the upside or to the downside. But what's really happening now is we can easily see that yes, on Bitcoin the market is now turning back. Yes, the market was trying to push up, but now it's pushing very low. So let me push to the next one. Let me push to the next one. It's German. 40 or DAX. So what's really happening here? I don't know if why this thing doesn't really load. I don't know. Yeah, let me just change the time frame maybe to 2 hours, or it's fine here on 4 hours time frame. So what's really happening here is yes, the market was actually on this downtrend. I don't know why this thing doesn't really load. Maybe my network is a bit slow, but it's fine. So yeah, I can see it's not moving. So after this this thing load, obviously we'll see the lines. So but what's really happening here is since we had this breakout, the market actually did what? The market broke out of this resistance, and now the market is pushing up. Even today we had a very nice, and we still actually on that nice bullish momentum. We also bought, by the way, and we are eating. For those who are not in the group, we also eating. So what's really happening here is yes, we had something like this. I'm just doing this fast so that you can see what's really happening. So after that, we had a entry around this area. I no longer remember, around this area. Then after, now we can see the market is pushing up. Yes, what I see is the market is actually consolidating around that area, but I'm expecting the market to do what? I'm expecting the market to push the upside, to break this resistance, and then we will see. We will say yes, the market is actually continuing with that bullish momentum. I'm hoping this thing is going to load. Let's push and see. Okay, but it's not loading the lines. Let me see what's really happening. Okay. Yeah, maybe there is something wrong. It's fine. So what's really happening on gold, without wasting time, because I don't want to take I don't want to make this video very long as I'm already late, you see. So what's really happening on gold is yes, we can easily see that the market is actually on this very aggressive sell-off. The market is on a very aggressive sell-off, and what's really happening here is we can see that the market is trying to recover. The market is trying to recover, but it seems like the weight is still too much. The downtrend is still, or the bearish move is actually that strong. So here is what we have. We can see that the market was moving like that. That was a counter trend. You can see that it's a counter trend line. So which means for us to say we buy, we waited for this area here to be broken out, because the market was doing what? The market was going down as a downtrend. So what's happening here is we did wait for the market to break this area, and now we're saying the market can push up. But we're not saying that maybe, oh, now it's loaded, it's fine. We're not saying that the market is changing the direction. No, the market is still on that trend. The market is still on a downtrend. But yes, this portion here, we can say the market can still give us a very nice buy. Yes, there's a chance for the market to reach this area and push lower, or maybe the market can try to break out. That is possible. Or I can see this thing is loaded. It's fine. I will see that after. So let's push the next one, which is US oil. I'm surprised this thing just loaded gold, but here it's not loading, so it's fine. I will also draw that. So here we are on US oil. What do we see? Firstly, this is a 4-hour time frame. You can easily see that yes, this thing actually is doing what? It's actually going to the lower side. We call that a downtrend. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To continue with this trend. So for me to be specific, or to say I'm confident with that, I will try to draw the lines like that. And it seems like they make sense and they are connecting very nicely. And so this thing just loaded. I don't know if my network is a bit slower. I think the network is a bit slower. My network is a bit slow, guys. I'm very sorry. Yeah, so what's really happening here is, yes, you can see that the market is on this downtrend. And let me just remove this. I was teaching my people about some specific moves that maybe you can see. So here you can see that yes, we have an area where we can call something like a support there. You see, that's why the market touched that area and now it's pushing to the upside. But I'm still expecting the market to keep going lower, as this is a downtrend. The market is still on this downtrend, so I'm expecting the market to keep going lower. So we're going to continue with this downtrend unless if the market breaks this resistance and start to push the upside. But we have a very nice trade, but the profit were not that deep, because you can see the entry here. Then now it's going back. Maybe the market will keep going lower. We will see what's really happening, but I'm expecting the market to keep going unless if we see a breakout. But beside that, I don't see anything. I still see a nice downtrend there. So we are on US30. Actually on US30, I think, no, I did not send the signal for US30. It's also pushing up. It's also pushing to the upside. Just load. Yeah, it's fine. So what's really happening here is, yes, I did not send a signal for US30. The reason being that the market was already around this area, so I wasn't going to send the signal. But I did send for other ones like German and also NASDAQ. But still, it's pre-market. I don't really want people to participate in the market when it's still pre-market. So what's really happening here is, yes, we can easily see that the market is doing what? Is going up nicely. So we expecting the market to continue like that, even though we know that tomorrow it's companies' earnings. That might change things very quick. And on Wednesday, it's like interest rate decision for US. That is actually a big week for us. That is actually a big week for us. So we need to be extra careful when we trade the market like that. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To break this area. I'm expecting the market to break that area. And then if maybe it breaks, I will be expecting the market to do what? To continue something, to do something like that, or maybe keep pushing up. Yes, there is a chance for the market to come back and break this area, but we can't talk about that if maybe it's not actually around that zone. So there's no point talking about something which is still far. But yes, there is a chance for the market to do what? To still push lower, especially on the interest rates decisions, or maybe the company's earnings. Google, Microsoft, Apple, all those big companies actually tomorrow. So let's push straight to NASDAQ. So I hope they are also eating. You can see that they have an entry around that area. So what's really happening is, yes, on Friday the market did turn on us here. We thought maybe it was a breakout. Yes, we were on a bit smaller profit, by the way. We were on a bit smaller profit, but guess what? The market did go back again. But when we draw our structure, it still makes sense. It still makes sense. We can see that, oh, this is still our support area, and the market is doing something like this. Ask my student, they will tell you about structures like this, and we always find it, and most of the time we always eat. you see. So I'm hoping that maybe everyone is doing great, guys. If maybe you want to be part of the team, yes, let me know if you want to be part of the team. And here is the special is still on actually, and actually it's gonna end this Sunday. Yeah, this Sunday, by the way. So if you still want to join the team for $60, just let me know. You can be part of the team. 12 months mentorship or signals if you want to be part of the team. So guys, this video is very quick, by the way. I understand, but in few hours around 3 o'clock will be going live, so we'll see what's really happening in the market. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.